I'm not going to move the Jeep to the front, so might as well bring this to the backyard. Anyway, this plywood that I had, working perfect. Put this on the patio here. As my friend just said, Jeep's coming a long way. Now my reply is, yep, certainly come a long way, even though it hasn't left the backyard in 2 years. But we're making progress. I think we're there. Man, I gotta go get the transfer case, transmission, bell housing. Sure, I could do this in the garage, but I'm not gonna be able to move it. But what I can do, I can move that over here. That's how I got this out. Of course I can't find the right socket. I have it out here. You know, I am going to tell you, you know what the most expensive socket I've ever purchased in my life? This one happens to be a Blue Point, but it is a size 5/8 with a 1/4 inch. I don't know why this is such a impossible thing to find, but I guarantee you, you're going to kind of throw back a little bit if you go look up how much one of these cost. This was on Amazon. Like $11 for this. Maybe it was more. I'll see if I can find the ad for it. Ridiculous. Anyway, let me get the grill off. I do need to trim this. I don't want to wait. But I do need to rivet here, trim here, be done with it. So this doesn't go all the way down from what I gather. But I've been reluctant to do so, only because, you know, honestly, they didn't ask a question yet on the forum board, so let me do that. You know, I really need a new camera system. Maybe somebody recommend what I should do. This is a GoPro, I think, 3 with this new crappy tripod. It's only about real tall, so. Did I spend the money on this? You need to let me know. Change my mind how I'm going to take this off. I'm going to use the bracket here and then slide it off this way. You can't turn the frame anymore. I'm a dum-dum. I forgot. It's almost like a modern truck bed. You have to bend this thing down, and this slides in and out. So if this was still attached, and I bent that to the Ford, I should be able to lift straight out. Well, the next couple days now will call for rain, where before it said no. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go ahead and give this a try, see if I can just run it across the planks, and then move the engine hoist all into place, get it up, lifted, flipped around so I can put the flywheel on, clutch plate, all of that, and then put it into place, and then just put the fenders back on, put the hood down, call it a day. Super heavy. Over the edge. Okay. Lift. Twist. Why couldn't they do something better? This thing only weighs like, I don't know, 250 pounds, 300 pounds maybe. It's not, I think, the worst thing. See if I push it up and over, then what I can do, I think I should bring the frame back forward, and then we'll see, push this forward, that forward, and then see what happens. Right back. Raise it up. Oh yeah, I can get some momentum. I don't know what size this is. Too big. 116. Wrong one. What do I do with it? Stuck. No wrench wants to fit. There's supposed to be a lock washer on these. I don't know, but there's probably supposed to be, so I could probably put some Loctite on them. Alright, here's dowel pins that go right about here. These are a little bit bigger, so make sure that the dowel that's sticking through goes in. at least get some of these to bolt in. It's very strange. I actually had to take that back plate back off again because I realized I can't get a wrench in there without that thing being loose. So this is a little bit ridiculous. I can get one. There we go. Oof. Alright, let's try another one. See in there. Right down there. I'll get this little wrench on. You see why people just don't put the back plate back on. Flywheel. Crankshaft bolt, 29 to 35. Flywheel, 35 to 41. Alright. You know, I don't use the electronic ones because the beeping makes my dogs go crazy. Oh, come on. There we go. Pressure plate to flywheel bolts, 12 to 17. That seems so low. I got this from Joe's Motor Pool, and it says flywheel side. And they even give you a little tool. Go ahead and mount this up. It only goes 20. This one, 204, 92. Go. Back maybe a foot. Sketchy. Part of that big ass tree just fell down. That thing's been scaring me for months. Okay, I need to put 4x4 behind there, I think. Maybe another brick if I got one. Should have put it on that one. Dang it. Oh yeah. Alright, now I gotta come up. Perfect. Gotta lower the jack a little. Raise this guy. Get a little weight. Okay. My strap might be in the way. Yeah, maybe. No, that's okay. There we go. So now I gotta get it lifted so I can put the. See if I can lift it up. Almost there. Alright, got a strap holding that up right now. I'm gonna put a jack stand under it too. But I gotta get this guy out of here. It's loose. It's coming out. Alright. This wind is close. There we go. We're clear. Okay. Lost that somewhere. Alright. She's in there. Man, the tree falling down kind of scared me. So I'm gonna get this done, get it out of here. But those trees more likely hit my house than anything else. Not a fan. Super dark. Alright, it is 2100. I, of course, let time get away. Just try to cover up the engine. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to see. Try to cover up that engine just enough in case it rains. Not gonna hit it. And then strap the hood down. In case the wind gusts, try pulling that hood down. You know, you go to the front of the house and it's like nothing. No problem. You wouldn't even know it was windy out. Wild dude. That's it from a windy Virginia day, so I'm going to let you go. And hopefully you guys enjoyed what you saw. It's a lot of hard work and a lot of crazy things happening. You probably wonder why I can't get life insurance outside of the military. I wonder why. Anyway, y'all have a good one. And next time I'm going to bring you back for the transfer case and for the transmission being installed so that I can start working on that transmission cover for the floor. Alright, see ya. Have a good one. Totally snooping on the neighbors. That's what came down. Huge.